Hey guys, welcome to another video on Bharat and Germany. My name is Bharat, and in this video we want to introduce something new to you, which is the series Moving to Germany. Now in this series we are going to follow different kind of students who are moving from India and are coming to Germany, and we are going to see how exactly do they go about all of that path, because the last goodbyes and flying for the first time to a new country and all of these things are pretty special, and if we can document it somehow and show other students how it feels, I think that would be one thing done well. So in this video let's take a look at how Hemant and Anuj go from New Delhi to Germany and how exactly their journey was.
My name is Anuj Sehrawat,
My name is Hemant Chauhan.
and in this video we'll be showcasing the bits and parts of our journey from New Delhi, India to Germany.
So we both are enrolled in Hochschule Hof for the course of General Management MBA. So yeah, let's begin our journey from India to Germany. So right now we are moving forward for our RT-PCR test. Waiting for my COVID report. Let me brief you the process for how to get an appointment for COVID test. So what you need to do is just go to Delhi Airport website. There will be an option for booking an COVID RT-PCR test report. There you need to fill your passport detail and schedule the date and time on which you need to get your COVID test done. And when you reach the airport near gate number 8, you need to give your swab. And according to the airport regulatories, they are telling that they'll provide the report within 6 to 8 hours. So right now I'm waiting at airport for my report. So this is the luggage that I and my friend Anuj both are carrying. You should definitely try to put a sticker on your bag which is holding the most delicate things that you are carrying. Like there should be fragile bag sticker on it, so that airline is very much precautious about your luggage. This bag, the first one, in this we are carrying our food items, luggage, that is the clothing items. In the third one, that's of Anuj, he is carrying clothes in this one, and in this one we are carrying our electronics item and other utensils that we'll be requiring in Germany. So a better option is to carry a duffel bag. So we plan to buy 2 duffel bags like this one, and the second one is the black one. And it is actually easy to carry, and if you plan you can take it in your cabin bag. So that's it. Like we are also carrying our items in these bags. So this is our overall luggage again. So one thing you need to make a note of is like you can carry a jacket, or like we have checked the temperature at Frankfurt airport, our destination. The temperature is around 8 degrees Celsius, so we have planned to take one jacket each. While you are done with your packing, one thing you should always do is that attach a ribbon or a kind of identification, so you can easily identify your bags, as most of the bags are similar to each and sometimes they get exchanged by others. So identification like a tag or a ribbon will help you out in identifying your luggage at the destination point, and your luggage don't get exchanged with others. So Anuj forgot the pin of his bag, so he is struggling to lock his bag wrong, finding ways to lock it. Anuj, how are you feeling?
Pathetic, bro.
Pathetic. So right now we both are at Indira Gandhi Terminal 3. We are waiting for our RT-PCR COVID test.
And we are ready to fly.
So finally we are done with our COVID testing and we both got negative reports, and we are going towards the check-in process for the boarding pass. So from this window we are going to check our flight's gate number, and that is AI 121 Frankfurt gate number 3. Okay. So let's go. Our flight from Delhi to Frankfurt is 8 hours 55 minutes long. So let's see how it goes. And the boarding gates are going to open soon. As per Air India staff, the flight is almost half full.
Kind attention, please. All passengers are requested to respect social distancing while being seated at the boarding gate. Please wear your mask at all times while you're at the airport. Fly safe. Stay safe. Thank you.
कृपया ध्यान दें, सभी यात्रियों से अनुरोध है कि वो बोर्डिंग गेट पर बैठे हुए सामाजिक दूरी का सम्मान करें। कृपया अपना मास्क हर समय पहने रखें। आपको सुखद यात्रा की शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद। Anuj is too much excited for his flight, clicking too many photos.
For my first flew half.
Okay. So he's traveling for the first time internationally. So let's see.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Frankfurt. Local time here is 10 a.m. in the morning, and the outside temperature is, I beg your pardon, please remain seated. And do not open the your bins until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Mobile phones may be switched on if you wish. Business class passengers have priority in deplaning. Passengers who have wheelchair bookings are requested to remain seated. You will be assisted once all of the passengers have deplaned.
We just reached Frankfurt and checking out the prices for self-drive cars. So Anuj, how was your experience at immigration?
It was really good. I love Indian government. I love my India.
We have just reached Hof.
Started with the quarantine. This is the second day.
Quarantine is over today and we are going to our accommodation.
Thank you everyone for watching the video.
Hope you find our video insightful.
And thank you, Bharat, for all the guidance and help that you have provided to us. Thank you.
Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to be a part of this series, write us an email at alina@bharatingermany.com and we'll get back to you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.